Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious garlic spaghetti dinner with eggs, sausage, and cheese. So let's get started. Yeah, to get started here, we're going to need some eggs. We're going to add a little salt, add some pepper, and we're going to add a little bit of garlic, and we're going to beat that up. Okay, we'll put that aside. Now we're going to set our burner to medium, put a little bit of oil in the pan, and we're going to take our minced garlic here, put it in the pan. And we're going to let that warm up. Yeah, it looks like our pan's warming up. Okay, now we're going to add our spaghetti. Now we chop this up a little bit to make it easier to handle. Okay, let's put it all in. Alright, let's stir that around a little. Get that minced garlic mixed in there. Okay, now let's put in our sausages. And we'll stir them in. Yeah, they're looking good. Smells good already. Okay, let's cover that and let that cook a little bit. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. Oh yeah, looking good. Smells great. Nice. Yeah, they're looking good. Alright, now we're going to add our egg mixture in here. And we're going to stir that in. And we'll just level him up a little bit here. Level that up. Okay, now we're going to cover that and let that cook a little bit there. Maybe 2-3 minutes. Okay, let's give her a check here. It's been about 3 minutes. See if it's forming a nice crust. Yep, very nice. Okay, now we're going to crack 2 more eggs. Yep. Now put them right on top. Now we're going to cover that and let those eggs cook. And we're going to watch our yolks, make sure we don't overcook our yolks. About 2-3 more minutes. Okay, let's give our eggs a check here. Oh yeah, they're getting really nice looking. Okay, we're going to spritz it with a little bit of cheese here. Because we like cheese, don't we? Yeah, definitely like cheese. Okay, that should be enough. A little more over here. Okay. Now we're going to put a little bit of salt on top of our eggs here. And we're going to put a little bit of pepper on top. And we're going to add some parsley. Okay, now we're going to let that finish cooking about another minute or two, and we should be ready to taste that. Yep, plate that up and give her a good taste. Mmm, good. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. Oh, that's beautiful. How's our eggs doing? Oh yeah, they're beautiful. All right, now all we have to do is plate that up and give it a taste test. Okay guys, here it is here. Let's see if we can plate that up. See if we can get that out of there. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, let's spin that around so you can see it good. All right, there we go. There you have it guys, a delicious garlic spaghetti dinner with eggs, sausage, and cheese. And a lot of cheese. That's good. Okay, let's see if we can cut into this. Okay. Did we get him? Yep. Okay, let's turn him a little. We'll go this way. Okay, it looks pretty good. All right. Look at the cheese in there. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how runny that is. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to have a little bite here. There you go. Wow, look at the egg in there and the sausage and the cheese. Not to mention the spaghetti and garlic in there. Let's have a little bite. Oh yeah, you're gonna love this one here. This is really tasty. And the garlic that's in that spaghetti, you can really taste it. And the sausage and all that other good stuff. The cheese, wow. Not to mention the eggs on top. Thumbs up on them. Yeah, here I thought I'd just show you just how nice the crust turned out again. If I can show you without losing it all. See how golden brown that is? Beautiful. And you can pick it up, which is really good. Okay, there you have it guys. A delicious garlic spaghetti dinner with eggs, sausage, and cheese. Yeah, you can't beat that right there. Yeah, you know what would go good with that right there? A nice glass of chilled wine. Believe it or not, that sounds good. Oh yeah, look at the cheese. Can you see that? Oh, is that beautiful? Mmm, good.